Refreshing, like, to have this view. I am back, changed into jeans and got my vest. I'm gonna head outside because there's the drone like show, so I'm so excited. I think I'm guys, so I finally made it to Gamcheon Cultural Village and it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I'm gonna meet my friend and I think she's right in the restaurant right there, so I'm gonna go right now. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
this was temporary, didn't I? But you changed my mind like the weather. When I saw you wearing my sweatshirt, told myself I wasn't ready, terrified. Thought I'd be alone forever, but now we're alone together. No, I never meant to make plans, take chances, cynic. Love was nothing but a train crash, a fast track to lyrics. Yeah, I guess you gotta make plans to break them. One look at your face and I was down bad, way past inhibition. I can feel your echo through the space that once was hollow, filling every corner of my mind. Told you this was temporary, didn't I? But you changed my mind like the weather. When I saw you wearing my sweatshirt, told myself I wasn't ready, terrified. Thought I'd be alone forever, but now we're alone together. Hyperfixated. I wrote this song while I'm thinking of you. Nothing too much, but it's all about you. Hope you think of me the way I do. Baby, you're the reason of the sweetly tune. And I can't help it. This love I'm feeling. Can I wrap my arms around?
Okay guys, so we made it to a cafe and I got myself some iced tea and we're looking at the view and it's so pretty. Refreshing like to have this view, it's really pretty.
Let me fly you to the moon. We can go everywhere, it's just us two. We got nothing to lose. We can go an hour, secret rendezvous.